Hi, this is Patrick from JDM Gems. Today we're going to be working on a customer's 1992 Honda Acty. The service he wanted me to do is perform a brake job. However, we're going to be using brake pads off an ATV. We don't quite know the differences yet, so we're going to take off the old ones and just compare them to these and see how the differences, and if we can use these or not. So this will be a nice, cheap alternative to buying the OEM brake pads. The part number for these pads is right here. K-pad 0044 and K-pad 0043. We'll put the what ATV and UTV it fits in the description below. So we're going to be needing a 19mm to remove the wheel lug nuts. We're going to be needing a 12mm to remove the two caliper bolts. We're going to be needing a C-clamp to press down the piston on the caliper, and then obviously your brake pads. So first we're going to be loosening these two 12mm on the caliper. And then we'll just slide the caliper out like so. Now rest the caliper on top. You don't want it to hang, obviously, because the brake line will get stressed and potentially crack and break. So we'll just have it like that. Okay? And then we'll just slide the pads off like so. And then we can compare them to the new ones. So already I can see this is a little bit thinner. Right there. The overall size is about the same. It's almost exactly the same. So I think these will work. We'll just switch over this. I think it'll fit. Yeah. Okay, so we'll put these on. One thing I forgot to mention is the brake grease. We're just going to put a generous amount on the back side and on this where it slides. Alright. And then we'll have to compress the piston. And then slide the caliper back on. Put in the two 12mm. Alright. Next we're just going to press down on the brake pedal to push that piston back out. And that's it. So in this video we found out that you can use aftermarket UTV and ATV brake pads for your Acty. This will also work for Honda Street and Honda Beat. So if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next repair. What? Nice.
And
so hopefully you found this video helpful. Damn it. Street and Honda Beat as well.